Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my power scaling TikTok episode 57,853. And today we have a very special one today. This is the Christmas special, and I would like to congratulate one of my viewers, Weebshit, for winning the giveaway last episode. Yeah guys, so remember to comment on every one of these, so you might win a free power scaling of your choice. And this episode, the winner, I already forgot their name. Who won? Hold on. Weebshit. Weebshit wanted me to put the violence fiend in brackets full power up against the chainsaw man from Chainsaw Man. And to be completely honest, I haven't read any of the manga or anything, but I think this is just a really easy GG's for the violence fiend, because let's be honest, it's the violence fiend. How is
Oh no. No! No! No way the building is safe. No, I'm dead. No. Oh my god. Bro, I'm scared.
Let me go, man.
Hey, how about we heal? How about we both heal? I know what to do. No! What the fuck? What? Ain't no way. But let me play chicken. Oh, you're not ready for this.
That was canon.
Oh shit. I'm trying to kill you. Oh my god. Okay. What? Marshmallow.